So I think the publication of this report is most timely, and I'd like to congratulate the participants who put it together. This morning's dissipation of the report has been most interesting, and of course for people like myself who've been around for quite a long time, I think it's just very, very welcome to see that this industry eventually has come to stay. The role that the long-term investors will play, particularly pension funds and life companies going forward, will be key. And I think essentially as an industry, we will rely and hope that the regulator as well as the policymakers will be particularly intentional about wanting to see the growth of this ecosystem. And going forward, my expectation is that we will see this sector being a real engine of growth for the private sector.